Before Reddit, before modern forums, before social media feeds, there was Usenet. Usenet has been around since 1979, which makes it older than the World Wide Web itself. But don't let that make it sound complicated or outdated. At its core, Usenet is actually pretty simple. Usenet is one of the internet's original community networks. It is a global system for sharing discussions and articles across topic-based groups. Think of it like the original online bulletin board system. Reddit has subreddits, forums have message boards, Usenet has newsgroups. A newsgroup is a topic-specific community where people can post, read and follow discussions around a particular subject. One newsgroup might focus on computer networking, another might focus on science, another might be about a hobby, a technical topic, or a specific area of interest. Instead of one endless algorithm-driven feed, Usenet is organised around individual newsgroups. That makes it easier to explore specific topics, communities and discussions without relying on a social media algorithm to decide what you see. So, why do people still use Usenet today? The answer comes down to a few major advantages: speed, secure access, retention, and reliability. First, speed. Usenet is built for fast article transfers. With the right provider, users can take advantage of high-speed connections and efficient access to Usenet articles. Newshosting is designed for that kind of performance. It runs on a premium Tier 1 network and does not throttle transfer speeds, so users can get fast, reliable access without artificial slowdowns from the provider. Second, secure access. Usenet is not a public social media feed built around profiles, likes, comments and tracking-based algorithms. You access Usenet through a provider and a newsreader. Newshosting supports SSL secured connections, which helps protect your connection while you access Usenet. Third, retention. Retention is one of the most important Usenet terms to understand. It means how long Usenet articles remain available on a provider's servers. The longer the retention, the farther back the archive goes. That means users have a better chance of accessing older articles, not just recent posts. This is one of Newshosting's biggest strengths. Newshosting offers industry-leading article retention, helping users access both recent and older Usenet posts with strong completion rates. And that brings us to reliability. When people use Usenet, they want articles to be available, transfers to be fast, and access to be consistent. That is why your provider matters. A strong provider can make a major difference in speed, retention, completion, and the overall experience. So how do you actually use Usenet? Getting started comes down to 3 steps and the order matters. Step 1. Choose a Usenet provider. The provider connects you to the servers where Usenet articles are stored. Nothing else works until this is in place, so it is your first decision. Step 2. Connect a newsreader. A newsreader is the software you use to read Usenet. Your provider gives you access to the articles. Your newsreader is where you see them, sort them, and open them. Without a newsreader, you have a connection to Usenet, but nothing to view it with. Step 3. Use search to find articles. Instead of scrolling through everything, you search inside newsgroups for the topics you want, and open the posts you are looking for. Here's the easiest way to think about it. The provider is your connection to Usenet. The newsreader is the app you use to explore it, and search is how you find what you came for. Newshosting brings these pieces together. With Newshosting, users get Usenet access, long article retention, fast transfer speeds, SSL secured access, no speed throttling, and high completion rates. And Newshosting includes its own newsreader. That is the part that removes the step most beginners get stuck on. Normally, you would pick a provider, then find a separate newsreader, then set it up with your server details, your port, and your connection settings. With Newshosting, the newsreader is already there, already connected to your account. With search across newsgroups built in, that means beginners do not have to piece together everything on their own. Newshosting gives you the provider, network access, search tools, and newsreader in one complete Usenet solution. There's one more thing worth knowing. Newshosting comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That gives you a full month to connect, browse newsgroups, test the speeds, and see how far back the retention really goes. If Usenet turns out not to be for you, you can get your money back. So let's bring it all together. What is Usenet? Usenet is one of the internet's original community networks, built around newsgroups, articles, and topic-based discussions, organised by subject instead of by an algorithm. Why use it? Because it is fast. It supports secure access, it is organised around specific topics, and with the right provider, it gives you a deep archive of Usenet articles. What do you need to get started? A Usenet provider, a newsreader, and search to find the articles you want. And why news hosting? Because it covers all three at once. Industry-leading retention, fast speeds, SSL secured access, no throttling, high completion rates, and an included newsreader with search built in. And with a 30-day money-back guarantee, you have a full month to decide whether Usenet is right for you. To learn more, visit the News Hosting What is Usenet guide linked below. And in the next video, we'll show you how to get started with Usenet using news hosting.